in daily knowledge. So before we're going to learn antonyms, I will tell you something about this topic. So first, what is meant by antonyms? So antonym means opposite meaning words. In Marathi, we can say opposite means viruddharthi shabd. So on the board, I given some antonyms words. We read all the antonyms in one time, and second time I will tell you their Marathi meaning. So Marathi meaning and spelling is very important in this part, because when you know the spelling and meaning, so you write all the questions based on this topic very easily. Okay. So first I read all the antonyms. You listen carefully and look on the board. So 1 number, ancient, modern. Second number, beautiful, ugly. Third number, bitter, sweet. 4 number, bold, timid. Then fifth one, broad, narrow. Then sixth one, death, birth. Then seventh one, defeat, victory. Then eighth one, empty, full. Then ninth one, end, begin. Then 10th one, fat, thin. Then 11th one, few, many. Then 12th one, forget, remember. Then 13, fresh, stay. Then 14, give, take. 15, glad, sad. 16, good, bad. Then 17, heavy, light. Then 18, increase, decrease. Then 19, inside, outside. Then 20, joy, sorrow. Then 21, late, early. Then 22, lie, truth. Then 23, love, hate. Then 24, natural, artificial. Then 25, present, upset. Then 26, profit, loss. 27, peace, war. Then 28, poor, rich. Then 29, shut, open. And last one is useful, useless. So these are the antonyms. Okay. So second time we going to learn their Marathi meaning. So everyone listen carefully and look on the board. So first number, ancient, modern. Ancient म्हणजे जुनं, modern म्हणजे नवीन. Second one, beautiful, ugly. Beautiful म्हणजे सुंदर, ugly म्हणजे कुरूप. Third one, bitter, sweet. Bitter म्हणजे कडू, sweet म्हणजे गोड. Then bold, timid. Bold म्हणजे धाडशी, timid म्हणजे भित्रा. Then broad, narrow. Broad म्हणजे मोठं, narrow म्हणजे छोटं. Then death, birth. Death म्हणजे मृत्यू, birth म्हणजे जन्म. Then defeat, victory. Defeat म्हणजे हारणे, victory म्हणजे जिंकणे. Then empty, full. Empty म्हणजे मोकळं, full म्हणजे भरलेलं. Then end, begin. End म्हणजे समाप्त होणे, begin म्हणजे सुरुवात होणे. Then fat, thin. Fat म्हणजे जाड, thin म्हणजे पातळ. Then few, many. Few म्हणजे थोडं, many म्हणजे जास्त. Then forget, remember. Forget म्हणजे विसरणे, remember म्हणजे आठवणे. Then fresh, stay. Fresh म्हणजे ताजं, stay म्हणजे शिळ. Then give, take. Give म्हणजे घेणे, take म्हणजे देणे. Then glad, sad. Glad म्हणजे आनंदी, sad म्हणजे दुःखी. Then good, bad. Good म्हणजे चांगला, bad म्हणजे वाईट. Then heavy, light. Heavy म्हणजे जाड, light म्हणजे हलकं. Then increase, decrease. Increase म्हणजे वाढणे, decrease म्हणजे कमी होणे. Then inside, outside. Inside म्हणजे आत, outside म्हणजे बाहेर. Then joy, sorrow. Joy म्हणजे आनंद, sorrow म्हणजे दुःख. Then late, early. Late म्हणजे उशिरा, early म्हणजे लवकर. Then lie, truth. Lie म्हणजे खोटे बोलणे, truth म्हणजे खरं बोलणे. Love, hate. Love म्हणजे प्रेम, hate म्हणजे द्वेष. Then natural, artificial. Natural म्हणजे नैसर्गिक, artificial म्हणजे अनैसर्गिक. ओके. Then present, absent. Present म्हणजे हजर, absent म्हणजे गैरहजर. Then profit, loss. Profit म्हणजे फायदा, loss म्हणजे तोटा. Then peace, war. Peace म्हणजे शांतता, war म्हणजे युद्ध. Then poor, rich. Poor म्हणजे गरीब, rich म्हणजे श्रीमंत. Then shut, open. Shut म्हणजे बंद, open म्हणजे उघडणे. Then useful, useless. Useful म्हणजे वापरत असणे, useless म्हणजे वापरत नसणे. Okay. So these are the antonyms words. So if you learn all this one like that, not this one, it is a limited here, but you learn all the antonyms with their meaning, with their spelling. So you have to write all the questions based on this topic very easily. Antonyms, every question have 4 options. One option is correct and each question have 2 marks. Okay. So on the board I given some question on antonyms. In every time I told you, when you solve any questions, you read at least 2 times. If you read 2 times, you recognize the meaning of the question and you usually solve all the answer. Okay. So same here, we read all the question here and second time we try to solve it. So everyone look on the board and listen carefully. So number 1 is select the opposite of the word bitter. Second number, which of the following is not pair of opposite? Then third number, which letters you put before the word like to make it opposite? Then fourth number, which of the following pairs is opposite? Then fifth one, choose the correct opposite for the underlined word I lived permanent in Dubai. So underline is permanent. Next one, sixth one, what is the opposite of the word urban? Then seventh one, which prefix will you use to make opposite of the word limited? Then eighth one, select the opposite of the word bed. And ninth one, choose the odd man out. So these are the question of antonyms. So second, we will try to solve it. So everyone listen carefully and see on the board. One number is select the opposite of the word bitter. So select the opposite of the word bitter. या bitter या शब्दासाठी आपल्याला विरुद्धार्थक शब्द शोधायचा आहे ऑप्शन मध्ये. So first you know the meaning of this word. So bitter चा अर्थ आपल्याला माहित पाहिजे. So पहिला bitter म्हणजे कडू. म्हणजे कडू या शब्दासाठी आपल्याला आता विरुद्धार्थक शब्द शोधायचा आहे. वन नंबर ऑप्शन hot, second number sweet, third number spicy, last one is salty. So which is correct here? Hot म्हणजे गरम, sweet म्हणजे गोड, spicy म्हणजे मसालेदार and salty म्हणजे थोडंसं मीठ असलेले. Okay? So what is mean the bitter? कडू. So which is opposite of bitter? Sweet. Sweet म्हणजे गोड. So bitter म्हणजे कडू, sweet म्हणजे गोड. So it is the opposite words. Bitter, sweet. Okay? Next one, second number. Which of the following is not pair of opposite? खालीलपैकी कुठली जोडी विरुद्धार्थी शब्दाची नाही. Okay? Read proper question. Read proper question. So number 1, awake, asleep. Second one, peace, war. Third one, old, new. Last one is leap, jump. So which is following pairs is not in opposite. म्हणजे खालील कुठली जोडी विरुद्धार्थी शब्दाची नाही. वन नंबर अवेक, अस्लीप. अवेक म्हणजे जागे होणे, अस्लीप म्हणजे झोपणे. सो इट इज ऑपोजिट हियर. पीस, वॉर. पीस म्हणजे शांतता, वॉर म्हणजे युद्ध. इट्स ऑल्सो ऑपोजिट हियर. ओल्ड, न्यू. ओल्ड म्हणजे जुनं, न्यू म्हणजे नवीन. इट्स ऑल्सो ऑपोजिट हियर. लीप, जम्प. लीप म्हणजे उडी मारणे, जम्प सुद्धा उडी मारणे. सो इट इज अ सिमिलर म्हणजे नॉट ऑपोजिट मीनिंग. म्हणजे ही जोडी विरुद्ध शब्दाची नाही आणि आपल्याला जी जोडी विरुद्ध शब्दाची नाही ती आपल्याला शोधायची होती. सो ऑप्शन नंबर 4 इज करेक्ट बिकॉज इट इज नॉट अ ऑपोजिट पेयर्स, इट इज अ सिमिलर पेयर्स म्हणजे ऑपोजिट पेयर्स नाही. नेक्स्ट वन, थर्ड नंबर, विच लेटर्स यू पुट बिफोर द वर्ड लाईक टू मेक इट ऑपोजिट. म्हणजे लाईक या शब्दापुढे काही लेटर्स लावायचे आणि ह्या वर्डला आपल्याला ऑपोजिट करायचं. ओके, लाईक म्हणजे आवडणे. So which letter you put before this word to make it opposite? One number option in, second number un, third number this, and last one is miss. So which is letters you put before this word? In, like, no. Unlike, no. Dislike, so dislike. Like, dislike. Like, dislike. So it is a opposite words. Like, and if you write this letter before this word, so it just make it opposite. Dislike. Okay, like that. Third number is over. Now fourth number, which of the following pairs is opposite? Sometimes they asking which is not pair of opposite, sometimes they asking which is pair of opposite. म्हणजे खालीपैकी कुठली जोडी विरुद्धार्थी शब्दाची आहे. So option number 1, nation, country. Second number, pause, wait. Third number, price, cost. And last one is late, early. So which is opposite here? Nation, country. Nation म्हणजे देश, country म्हणजे सुद्धा देश. So it is not opposite. pause, wait. Pause means thamba, wait means the thamba. So it is also not opposite here. Then price, cost. Price means किंमत, cost means the किंमत. So it is not a opposite. Then late, early. Late means उशिरा, early means लवकर. So it is opposite here. So which is opposite pairs? So 4 number is opposite pairs. 1, 2, 3 are not opposite pairs. Only one is here opposite. It is option number 4. Okay. Now 5th number. Choose the correct opposite for the underlined word. Okay. खाली पैकी जे अंडरलाइन वर्ड आहे त्याचं आपल्याला आता अपोजिट शोधायचं. त्या अंडरलाइन वर्डचं आपल्याला अपोजिट शोधायचं. 1 number. I lived permanent in Dubai. So which is underline word here? Permanent. Permanent या शब्दासाठी आपल्याला विरुद्धार्थी शब्द शोधायचा आहे. सो फर्स्ट यू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड. परमनंट म्हणजे कायमचे. परमनंट मीन्स कायमचे. सो ऑप्शन नंबर 1 टेम्पररी, सेकंड नंबर फ्यू डेज, थर्ड नंबर मेनी डेज अँड 4 नंबर लिव्ह. सो व्हॉट इज अ करेक्ट अपोजिट फॉर दिस वर्ड? टेम्पररी म्हणजे तात्पुरता, फ्यू डेज काही दिवस, मेनी डेज जास्त दिवस, लिव्ह म्हणजे सोडून जाणे किंवा निघून जाणे. सो परमनंट म्हणजे कायमचे. सो टेम्पररी म्हणजे तात्पुरता. Okay, so it is a opposite here. Permanent, temporary. Understood? Now, 6th number. What is the opposite of the word urban? Urban या शब्दासाठी आपल्याला opposite word शोधायचा आहे. So urban म्हणजे शहरी. Urban म्हणजे शहरी. आता या शब्दासाठी आपल्याला विरुद्धार्थी शब्द शोधायचा आहे. 1 number city, third number rural, 3 number peace, and last one Spain. So first city. City म्हणजे शहरी. So it is not opposite. Then rural. Rural means Gramin. So it is a correct opposite for urban. Urban, rural. Understood? Now, 7th number. Which prefix will you use to make opposite? So which prefix? Prefix म्हणजे some letters coming before the words to make it opposite. काही शब्द लेटरच्या पुढे लावायचे आणि त्या वर्डला आपल्याला opposite बनवायचे. ह्याला म्हणतात prefix. So which prefix will you use to make opposite of the word limited? Limited या वर्डच्या पुढे काय प्रिफिक्स लावायचे आणि त्याला अपोजिट बनवायचे. ओके. प्रिफिक्स म्हणजे some letters coming before the word. So 1 number option UN, second number I am, third number IR, last one is DIS. This. So which is correct? Unlimited. So first one is correct. Limited, unlimited, like that. Okay. Next one 8 number. Select the opposite of the word wait. Wait या शब्दासाठी आपल्याला opposite word शोधायचं. So wait म्हणजे ओला, ओले होणे. So which is the opposite of wait? Clear, dry, cloth, fog. So clear म्हणजे स्पष्ट, dry म्हणजे कोरडं. So it is a correct. Cloth म्हणजे कापड, fog म्हणजे लोक. So wait म्हणजे ओला, dry म्हणजे सुका. Okay. Next one 9 number last. Choose the odd man out म्हणजे गटामध्ये न बसणारा. So which is here? 1 number high, low, second number lie, truth, third number idea, thought, and last one is low, hate. So which is odd man out here? High, low. High जास्त, low म्हणजे कमी. So it is opposite here. Lie, truth. Lie म्हणजे खोटे बोलणे, truth म्हणजे खरं बोलणे. It's also opposite. Idea, thought. Idea म्हणजे विचार, thought म्हणजे विचार. Low, hate. Low म्हणजे प्रेम, hate म्हणजे द्वेष. So 1, 2, 4 are opposite here and only one pair is similar म्हणजे not opposite. So it is a odd here. 1, 2, 4 is a 1 because it is a all three are a opposite pairs. Only one is similar here, not opposite here. Idea, thought, vichar, vichar. Okay. So like that question we solve for antonyms topic. If you solve like that questions, you have to know all the antonyms. Okay. So learn all the antonyms with their meaning, with their spelling. If you learn all these things, you have to write all the questions based on this topic very easily. Thank you very much.